You can buy it or not. Yeah, it's a special offer. For this model here, this is only, you can make it up. Yeah? This is only.
My wonderful family, this is my old fridge. No be say the fridge is spoil, the gas na im finish o, so the fridge no come dey cold again. So that I decide say we go throw am, make people go like to pick it, or the Holland people that always walk around, if they see they can take it and go and refill the gas. But for us, we no fit fill it. Once your fridge is finished, you need to throw it outside. Na so dem be for here. So wetin person go do? So we want to go buy new one. Come with us. We go look for new one. Okay. So this is the new one. The people we bought it, where we buy am for the house, then bring it to our place. To bring this thing to you, not free. Oh, so we pay 100 euro. You know how much 100 euro dey for Nigeria currency? Almost 50 something thousand. Just to bring, it's not even 15 minutes to the place we bought it. So come with us. So this is the fridge here. This is the one we bought. And so the one we bought, and so it be. We're supposed to buy different type, but the one that can give you water. But we don't have that connection for now. So we are here in Media Mart. This supermarket, this mart, call it Media Mart. Come to look for fridge. So where is Potama? Wow, a lot of things. I'll come and look for a machine for. You have to come to where they are selling fridge. Derek, come this side. This side. This one 500. See the this one you like. Derek.
We have a cafe this thing inside.
See, you can open it.
No, it's too big. Put it back. This is 1,000. This is 1,600 plus. It's too much.
This is the one I'm talking about. It's 700.
Eric, stop.
Touche quoi?
This is where you can put fruit.
700.
Oh.
700.
Close it, close.
Mister, this one is good.
Can't talk.
Huh?
It's good, but the freezer is small. Down. And this one is 800.
Okay, down here.
I see freezer for down now.
This is not the freezer.
What?
The down is the freezer.
Who told you?
No. The down is a page that they put
Tomato.
tomato, onions, yeah, those things. No, yeah.
Close it, let me see. This one are the same thing, no?
The same thing, but 1,000.
Ah, this one is big. Rosemary, now your work just open, they go. Hey, Lamza! You get injury, oh. You get hot. Mama, don't open again. It's okay. We are here for fridge.
Everybody will talk about it. They say any food will be right like this.
Did you write your boss?
No. So this video, so you can buy it.
But this is
pay
too,
per month, per month.
yeah,
This one,
very expensive. All is different.
this one not be hard. This one still be different.
How we listen.
Hey, why did you open it?
Hello, hello, stop.
Yeah, it's washing machines. Oh, it's washing machines. Yeah, washing machines. This one is a cooker. Which one is? This one we want to check it. Mama, wait, let me look again.
I said this?
This one is good.
Yeah, because even the down. The
pack
down here is 1, 2, 3. Here is 1, 2, 3.
It's good. Sometimes it's very small, but it's
No, it's if you need this freezer, you have to buy another.
not be different. We never will
So
come.
this one is good. Even this one also, if you get your room.
On the right side is the cooling. This is the freezer.
Kick you as like football.
Look, go like a football. These children.
Wait, what?
yeah, glasses here, shop glasses.
Yeah, it's a washing machine. See? This one small. Ah, for plates. This one too for plates. For washing, to wash plates. This one really good. Very, very good. This is the fridge. This is the one we bought. We are going to take this one. See the inside. This is the inside. I think it's shown. This one we are going to take. Yeah. We could have taken the. We could have taken this one. We could have taken this, but because of the, we don't have where to plug this, for water. It's really good.
Die König, ja?
Yes. We don't have where to plug the water. That's why.
Als je mitneemt, neemt hij er één met.
Okay. See this brush, how much are they selling? Huh? This is not brush. This is, see the price. Hey, stop.
Ja, 100
100 Aton Actish. Are you telling me the truth? Huh? Derek, hear what? This is the one you people bought.
265.
Guys, we are about to finish. So we want to see if we can get another thing to buy, but we couldn't. So come and see what my kids do. Just watch what they did. They went there, they want to change the station to cartoon, but they don't know that the shop, all the station are the same. They have already set all the station. Did you see what my son is doing? He say want to put cartoon. Ask him if he's coming here to live, to stay and watch cartoon. I don't know. This is for you. See you, see Grant.
Only too strong.
Rosie?
He price, yeah, 1,000 something. When you touch it, you know that bush.
Screw it fast, and then on. But when you don't have some water connection there, you must have a specialist to swim. You say, sanitär, yeah, for washing and so on. Yeah, of course. Yeah, but there's no connection directly. Then you must have a specialist. Yeah? Our team is only bring it to you, or they bring it to you on first floor, second floor. Yeah, and there's a connection. Yeah, there's a special connection for this one. Then we connect it to this. Or the next.
That's my boss.
Yeah?
Second.
Derek, let's go.
Don't worry. I'll buy it.
Finally, we are through. We bought the fridge, so they are going to bring it for us. That's what we are discussing that time. If you are watching to this time, you are the real VIP. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to thumbs up, like, share, comment. I really appreciate your presence. Thank you for coming. This is the fridge right now. So they brought the fridge to us. We are removing things inside, so I have to go and do shopping for new fridge and fill it with the vegetables and the fruit and the meat, fish, everything you need to know is going to be on this fridge. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.